This is Michelle from Woolly Rhino Crafts, and this video is going to show you how to do the tapestry crochet for my companion cube hat pattern. If you found your way here from something that wasn't the pattern, then don't fret. The link to the pattern is in the description, along with other pertinent links. And as you can see here, I've got a finished panel, and this panel has a distinct front and back. Tapestry crochet or single crochet color work has a front and back side that you have to be aware of. The front's going to be a bit cleaner, as the back side is where you carry your unused yarn color. And we're going to be doing a back side row first. Watch as I do this first color change and then see how I carry the background color yarn across. Please keep in mind that I knowingly don't crochet correctly. One day I'll maybe make a video about it. You'll see in a moment that I don't do a complete yarn over loop when I do the second yarn over of a single crochet. I also hold my work a little weird, but this video should still demonstrate the technique. I hope. Maybe not. If not, I'm sorry. For the first row of any tapestry crochet where the color changes start, I always like to begin on the back side. Working the back is easier than working the front because you can keep both yarn strands facing you and you can see them as you carry. Working the front and back of tapestry crochet is a little bit different, so I will be demonstrating a front side row as well in a moment. I had already completed 2 rows on this piece, so I'm back to a backside row, and this row has several color changes. I wanted to demonstrate the color changes a couple times for you. As you can see, I'm coming up on another one in just a moment. Color changes occur in the stitch before the color actually changes. You work your new color into the second part of the single crochet stitch. Get ready for it. Here it comes. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over with your new color, and pull through. Grab the unused color each time and carry it along. Mind your tension and watch how I kind of scoop it and incorporate it into the back of each stitch. And you can observe another color change in just a moment. Now to work a row on the front side. Note that the unused color is going to be behind the piece. We're going to do a color change, this first one, and see how the unused color is in the back. To change the color, move the new color to the front and the old color to the back, mid-stitch, so you can pull the new color through. Watch closely. And now you scoop that unused color and kind of tug it to keep it in the back and carry it along. When you're working the front, you need to be even more aware of your tension. Again, this row has several color changes for you to observe, as well as opportunities to see me carrying the unused color. I'm not going to talk a lot. You can just watch as much as you need to. If you'd like particular videos for any of my patterns, or even just specific crochet techniques, please let me know and I will do my best to deliver them in hopefully a timely manner. Maybe I should have put some music or something in these huge gaps of silence. Thank you for hanging out this long for this video, and I hope it was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Check out the links in the description that I already mentioned. Follow me on Facebook for the most recent updates and check out my other patterns. Of course, as always, happy crafting! This is it. I'm signing off.